Where you at?
Inside?
Cause we outside. I'm trying to shake my ass on a yacht in Berlin.
Oh nah. I'm good. I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci. Who wants to do that?
Use your context clues, alright? I ain't saying nothing. Cause you already know what the What's good, Jazzy Girl Myra, and I create entertaining content for your enjoyment. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So I know my audio is not matching my mouth because when I recorded this video, I actually had the mic plugged into the wrong thing, so there ain't no sound. But basically, I was just talking about, hey, what's up? I'm in Greece and this, and the third, and I'm just about to jump right into the room tour with y'all. So this is our Airbnb. We stayed in Athens, Greece. Shout out to T for finding this place because it had several rooms, several bathrooms, and it was very, very nice. So this is my room. We got out of a 9-hour flight and came here and took a nap. It is a little messy because I just laid on the bed, and I was actually uploading a YouTube video there, but their Wi-Fi was so bad. And then, you feel me, peep the view. The view was so nice. Look at the little cars riding by. It's the mountain view for me. And then this was a living room area, very nice, sophisticated looking, small, cozy area that didn't even get used on the trip because we was outside. This was the nice bathroom. I really like this bathroom. This is where I took a shower and did my makeup. This was the laundry room, and we didn't even do laundry because I think we flew out the next day. This was T's bathroom. This is where she took a shower and did her makeup and stuff like that. And this was a whole nother room that we didn't need or use. Had 2 twin beds. This house was lit. And this was T's room. You see she got her stuff laid out. Even though we was flying out the next day, she done took out everything and she was sleeping. Look at her. Sky right now. Look at T. She ain't paying no attention, but I know I said next time y'all see me on the camera, we gonna be looking good, and we are what?
Looking good. Cause okay. You already know what the play is.
We have some safety rules. We do not smoke here. We do not drop anything from the platform. If you feel sick, in 10 seconds hit the ground. We do not play with our seatbelts. We do not touch them. We do not do this. There is a lever in your right hand. You can pull it up and you can recline back your seat. In front of you is our menu. You can use our Wi-Fi connection here. Choose dinner in the sky, and the password is dinner21. Enjoy your dinner.
So you can recline your seat by doing that and leaning back. That's too far.
Oh nah. I'm good. I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci. Who wants to do that? Go ahead. No, go ahead. That's how you can get the D on the sky. See me? I ain't doing that. She can have that.
Stay dangerous, my friend.
Do you want to do boomerang?
I do.
Bruh.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
The birthday girl that we met on a plane.
Hi.
And that's T. And we just got off dinner with what's called dinner in the sky, dinner in the sky. I've been drinking wine. That wine snuck up on me. So
she barely drunk wine because I drunk it for her.
I had 2 cups. I had 2 cups of wine. She drunk the rest of my wine. But we're gonna see if there's a club that we can hit up. But it's Friday. It's Friday in Greece. Hold on. Oh, it's Thursday. It's Thursday? Thursday night.
And Friday at home?
Because you're a little clumsy right now. You better turn your legs. Hold
It's
on.
Friday at home?
No, it's Thursday. It's Thursday at home.
What happened? What's up? Oh wait, I gotta take that. What's up?
Vlogging for YouTube.
Vlogging for the tour. You see the fit.
You see the fit.
You see the fit.
Show her the scrumpy heels.
Hold
You
up.
see the fit.
You see the fit.
You see the fit.
All I'm missing is the white toes. Ooh, I'm about to fall, but. Put a grind on your nigga like, ooh.
She not thinking about that shit.
I'ma shake what my mama gave me. I'ma shake my money maker. It's time to circulate. It's time to circulate. It's time to circulate. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Close that.
This was some cheap ass liquor, but it got the job done. So we are in the back of the taxi right now. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We're trying to find some food. We're trying to find some goddamn food because we hungry.
I didn't eat what, like 2 days? What it is?
No, that's you, because I told you on the plane.
Yeah, I think I ate in 2 days.
So we cannot find food anywhere. So we end up eating at McDonald's because that's the only thing that's open at 2:08 in the morning. Oh, hold on, I see some. He was just recording us, taking our pictures over there. But as you can see, we got our little McDonald's. Hold on, focus camera. I got water, she got soda. We tried some new stuff. I'm gonna try McFlurry. I'm gonna see what that McFlurry is hitting. Like, what you eating, sis? What you eating?
Fuck up me. I'm eating some shit. I'm hungry.
You hungry? Shit, that's my Big Mac. Come on, baby, your foot hurt? Eat that fry. Yeah, fuck that shit up. That's for you.
He's missing a couple of toes.
Are he missing a couple of toes? How he missing a couple of toes? You threw the whole damn bread. He really is gonna eat it.
Then it goes a little something like.
What's good, y'all? You feel me? We in Barcelona right now. We are at a whole new location. They didn't send our luggage. We do not have our luggage. Like, we ain't got no clothes. We ain't got nothing over here. We ain't got nothing over here. And thank God I brought me a carry-on, because that's where I put my laptop and this camera and all my, very expensive equipment. I was like, I'm never sending my stuff like this over under the plane. So thank God I did that, because my ass would have been grass. But we in Barcelona. Peep the view. Peep the view. I'm getting a time lapse. I'm definitely gonna set up the camera to get a time lapse. This is the view. This is beautiful. This is very beautiful. But let me show you how the room tour though. Like,
Yeah.
so right now I'm ready. I'm just waiting on T to go. We finna go do some parasailing, and then we supposed to do a go-kart. We got a lot of excursions planned for today. We only here for 1 day, so we supposed to doing like a couple of things. You feel me? I'm gonna bring the GoPro. I'll charge it up a bit, and if that dies, I'm gonna just use my phone because I don't have no bag to carry this camera in. And since we're doing all these, activities, I don't want to bring this big camera and mess it up any kind of way. Hopefully our bags come today. If not, we're gonna go to the airport by 11 p.m. to see if they got it there. But that's a crazy situation. All our clothes, shoes, everything, makeup, everything is in that bag. You feel me? Like, You could have took some fire ass pictures tonight, but we ain't got no clothes, no makeup, no nothing. But I'll see y'all in a few. Flavor is these cream.
White chocolate.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No. Well, here we have a dick pop. A dick waffle, my bad. It's a dick waffle. So, we ended up getting our baggage, but it messed up our whole day. Like, we were supposed to get here at 11 o'clock in the morning, and because the flight was delayed and other issues with the airline, we wasn't able to make it to parasailing and other stuff. So now we're gonna see if we can make it, because it's 10 o'clock now, because we had to go to the airport and pick up our baggage. We're gonna see if we can make it to this ice thing. I don't even know what it is. The sun done with ice. I'm tired of shit. This is like, you know, this is what play is.
Your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna?
They're looking like South Beach out here. This is where we just came from, the ice bar. Say what's up to the cam. You gotta say what's up to the vlog, friend.
He is peeing, y'all. Look at this shit.
What you doing, sir? Sir, what you doing? I see you. Ew, you got it all. That little ass shit. Ew. Ew, friend. I didn't even get all that. I ain't get all that. I got the PG version. You got the rated R version. Fuck you, look at it. If y'all asked if I had a crazy friend, it's her. Look at her. So we just had some illegal pizza. Look at it here. It was nasty, but we was hungry. Look at she didn't even eat all the pizza. We was hungry. It's 1:53, about to be 2 o'clock in the morning.
Damn, I done lost my lashes. Fucking with y'all pussy.
Who put lashes in their glasses?
Me, so they won't get squished. I can always reuse them.
But yeah, the guy closed his shop at 12, and then he stand outside and take orders from people because he's not supposed to be open after 12. So the way we got this pizza, it looked like a drug deal. But we heading back to the hotel now.
You gonna charge us $20 for what, friend? Look,
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time.
Dushk bink. That's how you say it? Dushk bink. Hey, this shit look nice. It should remind me of London. I was in a Ferrari. Oh, okay then, sis. I see you. Do your thing, sis. Damn, it's a lot of people getting married street over here. Get married, you ride around with your hazard lights on and honk. This is the second person I've seen that got married. I'm trying to shake my ass on a yacht in Berlin. Germany ain't ready for us. We from Miami. We is 2 chocolate sisters from Miami. Berlin is not ready for us. I've been seeing this meme a lot, and they keep saying, remember when 50 Cent lost 55 pounds for a movie that nobody watched? You know, he said, see how people make fun of discipline but can't even lose weight to look good. Listen, that's one person I would never beef with. I would never go back and forth with 50 Cent because it's over. It's gonna get real ugly. Okay, it's a look, so I'm gonna go have tea put on my lashes and then I'll be back. Oh, I look good. It's a look. This is the look. You feel me? I want to see the hair. Let me show y'all what the hair is looking like. Y'all know what the hair looking like because y'all be seeing me. Ooh, who that is? Her. Who that is? That's her. That's her. Do you know who her is? It's me. I am her. Yo, niggas is loving these braids, yo. So the thing about Berlin, it is cold right now. It's like 60, it's 60 degrees. I didn't pack no cold clothes. I do have this set that I could wear. Like when I walked to the store, it wasn't as cold, but I know at night we gonna be out all night. We're not going to sleep. We slept for like 4 or 5 hours. So we staying up until it's time to go because we're going back to Greece later on. So I want some good food. I'm gonna find a good restaurant for us to eat at because yesterday we ate junk. We ate Burger King and KFC and shit. I'm gonna pack up my makeup now because I wanna do that shit when I come back tonight. We coming back late. So I'm gonna do that now. And I'm gonna see what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna just pack my bag now, fuck that. Cause when I come back, I'm gonna sleep. I'm not even gonna lie. So we out here, you see us. We eating hot chips and trying to get a scooter. It kind of rained. Hold up. Oh, okay, I thought I felt rain. But we about to get on this scooter. It's called a tier app. And we finna go play a game somewhere, something like that. The game thing that we're doing, I don't even know what it is. We gotta find something to do because it's like 9 o'clock. So, I guess I'll just like record from my phone for now. It's 30 minutes away, but we're not gonna do the whole ride on the scooter. So I just want to show y'all these white guys that are staring at us. Yeah, they peep, they see what's going on. Yeah, start walking, go ahead. Still looking. You like it what you see?
You like what you see?
You like it what you see?
You like what you see?
You like it?
You like it?
Red light, we gotta stop. We gotta stop. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's cold as fuck. Man, we out here on these scooters. With the scooter girls.
Yo, it feel good. It look good out here. It look real good. Berlin is nice. This should remind me of London. It reminds me of London a little bit. So we just pulled up. Oh, you feel me? You see the whips. You see the whips. We only ride exclusive fresh shit. You feel me? Fresh shit. We over here in Berlin. What this is? Indizio. Oh, Inizio Restaurants in Bar. So we finna see what we're gonna eat.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around. Your elbows off the table.
We are walking to a restaurant called Santa Maria because the first restaurant that we took an Uber to closed. I don't know why, but we hungry. It's 11. It's about to be 11, and a lot of these restaurants close at 11, 11:30. So we didn't make it to do the game thing. We just all over the place. So we are at this place, Korean barbecue, and this is what I'm having here: some spare ribs, because it's the only thing I can kind of like know what it was, and some fries. She's having some kind of chicken bowl. You know, she doesn't do that thing. She got chicken and white rice over there. I don't even know what kind of drink that is, but I think it's good. It should be good. Alright. She hungry. She dipped her ketchup, fry and ketchup and mayo. We are back at the hotel. We finna take a nap and get ready to get back to Greece. We gotta catch a flight to Greece. T tired as hell. Look at her. Look. No, let me lock this door. Look at her. Look. I ain't even the word. Let me tell y'all how this done been on go since we left Fort Lauderdale International Airport. When I'm tired, I'm sleepwalking. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. Ain't no sleepy party. You over too slow. Look at her. Look at her. She came over her eyes. Open your eyes. Oh, they open now. They wasn't open when we was at that dinner place. Korean dinner. Oof. I ain't gonna lie. I'm sleepy.
Oh, now you sleepy?
I've been sleepy. I just was hungry. What? I took it from me now. This the room. Well, that's my stuff. I'm finna take a nap, y'all. This is the room. This is our room tour. Bye. I did my makeup good. But I just wanted to show y'all their toilet thing. So that's how you flush the toilet. And it's just gonna keep going. It's gonna keep going. It'll keep going. You gotta press stop. You gotta press stop. Oh my God. So Berlin, we was only here for one day. We was trying to find something like fun to do, but they ain't really got much fun stuff to do. And then out there, I guess a lot of people's getting married over here or something, because I done seen like 4 or 5 people like in, you know, I don't even know. I just saw like 4 or 5 weddings or whatever in the cars driving by. But I packed all my stuff. I'm ready to go back to Greece because we going to this island. Because we finna get lit on this island. Hold up, friend, hold up. Friend, what, we finna get lit on this island or what? What's going on?
I'm gonna be on this nothing like in that island. Stop playing with me.
Stop playing with her, man. Don't play with us. That island?
I'm gonna be in that island doing the salsa.
The salsa?
Salsa and the dip. Stop playing with me.
You annoying dog, man. Listen.
Like when I, just like when I see them, you stupid dummy.
You stupid dummy. Gonna walk up to them, you stupid dummies. But listen, fool. My bag is packed. I'm finna take a nap. I'm gonna see y'all when we back in Greece.
She goes in a sea. Outdoors, everybody watching we. All the in-laws. I don't want no problems. Why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line. Drink a rum in paradise. Have a good time with me.
Tried to get a horse ride, but our hotel's on the other side of the island, so we got to the taxi. So we finna get us some ice cream and catch a taxi. We'll be back. Ice cream in Greece. Use your context clues, alright? Cause I ain't saying nothing.
Cause you already know what the play is.
Small bars, they will be closing at around maybe 1, 2 o'clock. But the ones down at the old harbor, they stay open.
Okay. We outside, y'all. We on the island. We outside.
We outside.
Big came on this island, man. We is outside. Where you at? Inside? Cause we outside. We outside. Look at her. She outside. We outside. Everybody outside. Well, we at the hotel room right now. We got our room, so we about to be outside. But we gonna see y'all when we outside.
So I'm getting another room. We outside.
You're showing off, yeah. Huh. Now everybody go know how you're so. You're showing off, yeah. Now everybody go see. They find out for free. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, leave my